although keep in mind you can obviously listen to the voicemail and call them right back. Also, just to show you, back on the previous screen, you can view all of your blocked numbers here as well. The last thing I'm including here is the option of installing a specific app to help you deal with nuisance callers. Truecaller, for example, and this isn't a sponsored endorsement, it's simply the most well-reviewed app that I was able to find, helps you to identify and block possible scam calls really easily, and their free version offers those basic features, although I do believe the free version comes with ads. Like I say, this isn't an endorsement, and there are loads of other apps out there. Spam calls, junk calls, nuisance calls, texts and emails, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Center agent trying to talk to you about a car accident that you never had. Obviously not all calls that you don't recognise are like this, but some are, and it is important that you're able to protect yourself from these calls. So if you receive a call from a number and you know that you want to stop that number again in the future, simply do the following. Head to the phone app and tap on Recents. For the number that you'd like to block, tap the I or info button to the right of it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and choose Block This Caller. And just like that, your iPhone will stop that number from being able to call you again. Now, the way that most scams operate is that they change their phone numbers frequently, so this isn't going to protect you forever, but it will make it so that that particular number can't call you again, and you would simply repeat this for any new numbers that pop up.